राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वकनमस्काराः। सर्वेभ्यः श्रीरामनवमी पर्वणः हार्दाः अनन्ताः शुभाशयाः। Welcome to all of you to this final webinar session of Shri Raghuvira Gadyam, and also praying for a very blessed Ram Navami and a blessed year ahead for everyone. Seeking the blessings of Bhagavan to bless everyone with good health, peace, and happiness. So Ramanavami wishes to all of you. And today we are going to conclude by reciting the entire Gadyam, that is Parayanam of the entire Gadyam, Shri Mahavira Vaibhavam, also known as Shri Raghuvira Gadyam, Shri Vedanta Deshika Pranitam. So it has really been a very memorable Vasanta Navaratri this year with all of you. Thank you so much for your continued interest and encouragement and your kind words. I am yet to reply to many emails, I know, so I will be doing it during the course of this week. And thank you to Vyoma also for creating this platform where we could meet and experience this wonderful Gadyam. Welcome to our panelists also, Aditi and Ishu. Maybe after the first round of Parayanam, they could chant a few lines. They have been very consistent in attending, very punctual, and also they've been very good with their practice every day. So let us commence listening to this Gadyam. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी, वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः, प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योमभास्करः। जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय, देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य, दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव, दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर, द्विविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमर्ण विमोचन, कोसल सुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार, कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर, रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र वृंदवंदित, प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित, तनुतर विशिख विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटके, जड किरण शकलधर जटिल नटपति मकुट तट नटन पटु विबुध सरिदति बहुल मधुगलन ललित पद नलिन रज उपमृदित निज वृजिन जहदुपल तनुरुचिर परम मुनिवर युवति नुत कुशिक सुत कथित विदित नव विविध कथा मैथिल नगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चंद्र खंड परशु कोदंड प्रकांड खंडन शौंड भुजदंड चंड कर किरण मंडल बोधित पुंडरी कवन रुचि लुंटाकलोचन मोचित जनक हृदय शंकातंक परिहृत निखिल नरपति वरण जनक दुहि त्रिकुच तट विहरण समुचित करतल शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर करधृत दुरवन मतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दश वदन दमन कुशल दश शत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर जर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति करन तपरुडिषु परिघ अकृत भय मुषित हृदय पितृवचन पालन प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात यौवराज्य निषाद राज सौहृद सूचित सौशील्य सागर भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूट गिरि कटक तट रम्यावसथ अनन्य शासनीय प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोक योगक्षेम पिशित रुचि विहित दुरित बलमथन तनय बलिभुगनुगति सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य द्रुहिण हर बलमथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य दंडका तपोवन जंगम पारिजात विराज हरिण शार्दूल विलुलित बहुफल मख कलम रजनि चर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीर भृगनुरोध त्रिशिर शिरस्त्रितय तिमिर निरास वासर कर दूषण जलनिधि शोषण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित विजय घोषणा खरतर खरतरु खंडन चंड पवन द्विसप्त रक्षः सहस्र नलवन विलोलन महाकलभ असहाय शूर अनपाय साहस महित महामृध दर्शन मुदित मैथिली दृढ़तर परिरंभण विभव विरोपित विकट वीर व्रण मारीच माया मृग चर्म परिकर्मित निर्भर दर्भास्तरण विक्रम यशोलाभ विक्रीत जीवित गृध्र राज देह दिधक्षा लक्षित भक्त जन दाक्षिण्य कल्पित विबुध भावक बंधाभिनंदित अवंध्य महिम मुनिजन भजन मुषित हृदय कलुष शबरी मोक्ष साक्षीभूत प्रभंजन तनय भावुक भाषित रंजित हृदय तरणि सुति शरणागति परतंत्रीकृत स्वातंत्र्य दृढ़ घटित कैलास कोटि विकट दुंदुभि कंकाल कूट दूर विक्षेप दक्ष दक्षिणेतर पादांगुष्ठधर चलन विश्वस्त सुहृदाशय अति पृथुल बहुविटपि गिरिधरणि विवर युगपदुदय विवृत चित्र पुंख वैचित्र्य विपुल भुज शैल मूल निबिड निपीडित रावण रणरणक जनक चतुर्दधि विहरण चतुर कपिकुलपति हृदय विशाल शिलातल दारण दारुण शिलीमुख अपार पारावार परिखा परिवृत परपुर परिसृत दवदहन जवन पवन भव कपिवर परिष्वंग भावित सर्वस्वदान अंकित सहोदर रक्ष परिग्रह विसंवादि विविध सचिव विप्रलंभ समय संरंभ समुजृंभित सर्वेश्वर भाव सकृत प्रपन्न जन संरक्षण दीक्षित वीर सत्यव्रत प्रतिशयन भूमिका भूषित पयोधि पुलिन प्रलय शिखि परुष विशिख शिखा शोषिता कूपारवारि पूर प्रबल रिपु कलह कुतुक चटुल कपिकुल करतल तुलित हृत गिरिनिकर साधित सेतु पथ सीमा सीमंतित समुद्र द्रुत गति तरु मृग वरूथिनी निरुद्ध लंकावरोध वेपथुलास्य लीलोपदेश देशिक धनुर्ज्या घोष गगनचर कनक गिरि गरिमधर निगममय निज गरुड गरुड निललव गलित विषवदन शरकदन अकृतचर वनचर रणकरण वैलक्ष्य कूणिताक्ष बहुविध रक्षोबलाध्यक्ष वक्ष कवाट पाटन पटिम साटोपकोपावलेप कटुरट दट निटंकृति चटुल कठोर कार्मुक विशंकट विशिख विताडन विघटित मकुट विह्वल विश्रमस्तनय विश्रम समय विश्राणन विख्यात विक्रम कुंभकर्ण कुलगिरि विदलन दंभोलीभूत निशंक कंकपत्र अभिचरण हुतवह परिचरण विघटन सरभस परिपतद परिमित कपिबल जलधि लहरि कलकल रव कुपित मघवजिद अभिहनन कृतनुज साक्षिक राक्षस द्वंद्व युद्ध अप्रतिद्वंद्व पौरुष त्र्यंबक समधिक घोरास्त्राडंबर सारथि हृत रथ सत्रप शात्रव सत्यापित प्रताप शिखशर कृतलवन दशमुख मुख दशक निपतन पुनरुदय दरगलित जनित दर तरल हरिहय नयन नलिन वन रुचि खचित निपतित सुरतरु कुसुम वितति सुरभितर चपच अखिल जगदधिक भुजबल बरबल दशलपन लपन दशक लवन जनित कदन परवश रजनिचर युवति विलपन वचन सम विषय निगम शिखर निखर मुखर मुख मुनिवर परिपणित अभिगत शतमख हुतवह पितृपति निर्वृति वरुण पवन धनद गिरीश प्रमुख सुरपति नुति मुदित अमितमति विधि विदित कथित निज विभव जलधि पृषतलव विगत भय विबुध विबोधित वीर शयन शायित वानर पृतनौघ स्वसमय विघटित सुघटित सहृदय सहधर्मचारिणीक विभीषण वशं बलीकृत लंकैश्वर्य निष्पन्न कृत्य खपुष्पित रिपुपक्ष पुष्पकरभस गति गोष्पदीकृत गगनार्णव प्रतिज्ञार्णव करण कृत क्षण भरत मनोरथ संहित सिंहासनाधिरूढ स्वामिं राघव सिंह हाटक गिरि कटक लड़ह पाद पीठ निकट तट परिलुठित निखिल नृपति किरीट कोटि विविध मणिगण किरण निकर नीराजित चरण राजीव दिव्य भौमायोध्याधिदैवत पितृवध कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित नृपहनन कदन पूर्व काल प्रभव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंश शुभचरित रत भरत खर्वित गर्भ गंधर्व यूथ गीत विजय गाथा शत शासित मधुसुत शत्रुघ्न सेवित कुशलव परिगृहीत कुलगाथा विशेष विधिवश परिणम दमर फणिति कविवर रचित निज चरित निबंधन निशमन निर्वृत सर्वजन सम्मानित पुनरुपस्थापित विमानवर विश्राणन प्रीणित वैश्रवण विश्रावित यशः प्रपंच पंचतापन्न मुनिकुमार संजीवनामृत त्रेतायुग प्रवर्तित कार्तयुग वृत्तान्त अविकल बहु सुवर्ण हयमख सहस्र निर्वहण निर्वर्तित निज वर्णाश्रम धर्म सर्व कर्म समाराध्य सनातन धर्म साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंगम तदितर जंतुजात दिव्य गतिदान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव भवतपनतापित भक्त जन भद्राराम श्री रामभद्र नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः चतुर्मुखेश्वर मुखैः पुत्र पौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने कवि कथक सिंह कथितम् कठोर सुकुमार गुम्भ गंभीरम् भव भय भेषजमेतत् पठत महावीर वैभवम् सुधियः कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः। इति श्री रघुवीर गद्यं संपूर्णम्। श्री सद्गुरु चरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु। So that is Shri Raghuveera Gadyam. I recited in the tune taught by my guru, Vidushi Anantalakshmi Natarajan Mahodaya. Like I said, it is up to you to chant in whichever tune you want, whichever raga you want. So before we begin with the individual chanting, and I mentioned that Aditi and Ishu will start because they have followed and they have helped with the Anucharanam for all these days, and so I thought they could start the individual chanting and then I will call out the names. But just before that, my humble pranams to Shri Vedanta Deshikaha, who has given us this Adbhutam Shri Mahavira Vaibhavam. Like I mentioned on the first day when we started, it is not possible to explain in words the energy and the vibrations this Mahavira Vaibhavam creates. So whether one is well versed in Sanskritam or not, whether one has understood each word or not, just by listening to the Gadyam itself, it creates wonderful vibrations and positive energy while reciting and while listening to it. So this is really the magic of Shri Vedanta Deshikaha, of course based on Srimad Valmiki Ramayanam, which is again an Adbhutam Kavyam. So this is an offering at the feet of Gurus and Sri Rama himself on this day of Sri Ramanavami. And whatever little I taught, if you all have learned in this course, it is because of the blessings of Gurus and whatever I've learned from my Guru directly, that is Vidushi Anantalakshmi Natarajan Mahodaya. immensely grateful to her for introducing me to this wonderful Gadyam and many other works in Sanskritam, which have become a part of my life. So there is one verse in Sanskritam which says, Ekamevaksharam yastu guruhu shishyam prabodhayet prithivyam nasti taddravyam yaddatva chandrini bhavet, which means even if you learn one letter from a guru, there is no wealth in this world by giving which one can be freed of one's debt. So one is eternally indebted to one's gurus. And along this journey with Sanskritam, which has been a passion since childhood, whatever little I have learned, it is because of my gurus. And I must also mention my mentor and my guru during my high school days and later, Dr. Shobha Vasuki Mahodaya, who kindled and nurtured this love for Sanskritam, and whatever I have learned from her has also stayed with me throughout my life. And because today is Sri Rama Navami, I remember one particular lesson back then, but it is a beautiful episode which has stayed with me forever. So she explained to us Shokaha Shlokatvam that is the episode which we find in Balakandaha, the first sarga of Srimad Ramayanam of Valmiki, where Valmiki's remorse came out in the form of a shloka, Manishada Pratishtham Tvam Agamas Shashvati Samaha Yat Krauncha Mithunadekam Avadhi Kama Mohitam. So this was the first verse. So Valmiki is called Adikavi and Srimad Ramayanam is called Adikavyam. So these many more things I've learned from Dr. Shobha Vasuki Mahodaya also. So I feel very blessed to have had these gurus in my life. Whatever love for Sanskritam and whatever little I've learned is because of them. So there are Sanskritam scholars also here. So please forgive the mistakes, and we are all learning. So this has been a humble attempt to share this joy with all of you. And thanks to Vyoma for providing this platform for us, for being together during this Vasanta Navaratri. And thanks to Vishwanathan Mahodaya, Venkat Mahodaya, Dr. Saumya Krishnapur Bhagini, who have motivated me to teach online, and Dr. Saumya Bhagini, who is a Vyakaranam scholar, and she's like an encyclopedia. Anytime, any doubt, the Sandhi, the Samasa, which is the correct version, she readily has an answer. And she has done amazing work and going through all the versions and getting it in different languages, like I said on the first day. So immensely grateful to her. And all this would not have been possible without the support and encouragement of my family. My family has been really supportive in everything that I wanted to do, and this time which I could spend with you all, including my 11-month-old daughter and my parents and my better half, Vishnu, for being so supportive and encouraging to me. So thanks to them for this. I could spend this time with all of you and spend time preparing. And of course, thanks to the panelists, Aditi and Ishu. Could you please share your webcams, both of you? Both of you have done a great job. And you have been, like I said, very consistent and punctual every day. And learning this in a short span of time and helping us and helping others also repeat is really a great help. So thank you so much, Aditi and Ishu. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you to all of you. You all have been very kind, and I've received many emails. I will reply to them. I'm sorry I haven't been replying every day because there are so many emails which I need to reply to. And you all have I mean, the energy in class, the interest and enthusiasm that really motivates anyone. So I don't call myself a teacher. I'm also a student. I've learned so much in these 9 days. And this has been a great experience, a very memorable experience for me. and thank you so much for all the encouragement in class. Dhanyavadaha. So with that, let me request maybe Aditi, you could start, and Ishu could continue, and then I will call out your names individually. Many emails again. I have written down all the names. I prefer to give the first chance to some of you who have said your kids want to chant. So to those children, I will call out first. Later, I will call out the other names. Aditi, please unmute and start.
Before I start, thank you, Brinda ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you for teaching me this Gadyam. It has been a wonderful experience, and I have learned a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Aditi.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि.
Next one also.
जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योमभास्करः.
First slide, Aditi.
जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य.
Dhanyavadaha, Aditi. Thank you very much. Ishu, well chanted, Aditi. Ishu. Next. Issue, it says self-muted.
दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव किनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर विविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमर्ण विमोचन.
Dhanyavadaha, Ishu. Now I will call out the names individually. Shri Shivarama Krishna Venkat, are you here? Like I said, I'm calling out the names of kids first. Please unmute. Yesterday you wanted to chant Balakandaha, right? Shri Krishna, Vadatu. Kosala Sutta.
Totala tuta tuma prabhavatan tutita tara tara taumarate idopa itatautita swara divita vanadvara dulya bhavya divyastra Indavendista Ranaka Danaka Vimata Vimata Dor Vida Dor Lalita Tantara Vita Vitarana Vidita Vikhatita Vitara Rutara Rudatata Tatateya.
Uttamam, Atyuttamaritya Uktam, Kantastham Karotu. धन्यवादाः। अति सन्तुष्टाहं। धन्यवादाः। Next, Keshav Krishnaswamy Mahodaya, you said your kids want to chant. Please unmute.
धन्यवाद राम राम आर्य
Ram Ram Ram.
I would like to chant Jai Jai Mahavira.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira. Okay. Yes. Please chant.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadhira Dhaureya Bhumashira Samara Samaya Samudita Muttila Mudhara Mudharita Niyavadhika Mahanya Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parshada Bhyaksita Dasharati Bhava.
Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Your sister or brother wants to chant? Bhagini Astiva. I received an email that there are 2 of you. Anyone else?
No.
Or just only you? Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam. Next. Kaveri K. Kaveri K Bhagini, your child wants to chant?
Yeah, Ram Ram, he will chant.
Yes.
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram Ram.
Can I chant the 61st line?
61, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
अभिचरण हुतपः परिचरण विघटन सरभस परिपद परिपद परिमित कपिबल जलधि लहरि कल कलरव कुपित मघवजिदभिहनन कृतनुज शशिख राक्षस द्वन्द्वयुद्ध साक्षिक राक्षस द्वन्द्वयुद्ध.
Jaladhi Mahaprana should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha. Anyone else in your home who wants to chant?
Okay, shall I try the first one?
Okay, Bhagini. Jaya Jaya Mahavira, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikila Nirjara Nirdarita Niravadika Mahamya Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishada Abhyarthita Dasharati Bhava.
Bhagini, it is Parishad Abhyarthita. We don't split that word. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Durga Lakshmi V. Bhagini, you said your children want to chant. Durga Lakshmi V. Yes. Please unmute.
Okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
Can I ask them to chant the next one?
Yes, yes. Please, yes. Dashavadana.
दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषद अभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भावः दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशद अधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चर्मर्ण विमोचन.
Uttamam. Very well. And even the Mahapranas were very good. Dhanyavadaha. Very well chanted and perfect synchronization also, both of you. Dhanyavad. Shyam Subramanian. So Shyam Subramanian says,
Ram
Yes.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram 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 Vadatu Kosala Sutta.
No ma'am, I'm going to tell from the first Shriman and then first 10 lines.
Okay.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रासध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योमभास्करः जय जय महावीर महाधीर धौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरण विमोचन कोसल सुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र वृंद वंदित प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित। धन्यवादः मैम।
धन्यवादाः, उत्तमरीत्या उक्तम्। Looks like you have memorized. Wonderful. Dhanyavadaha. Next, anyone else whose children want to chant? These are the emails I received and some messages. If your kids want to chant, send me a message now. Otherwise, I will start with the names which I received on email. Okay. I'll start calling out the names. Ramakrishna P. Mahodayah. Okay, I don't. Your daughter Nitya Shri wants to chant. Okay. I'll unmute you, Bharani Bhagini, just a second. Bharani Bhagini, I've unmuted you. Your daughter
Namaste,
can chant. Namaste.
प्रणत जन विमत विमतन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिक विताडन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटक ताटकेय
Mahapranas, Vishikha, Vitadana, Vighatita. The Mahapranas should be clearer.
ओके मैम
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
धन्यवादः
Next, there is one more student here, Varun Aditya. Yes, please unmute.
Namaskara. Can I say 20?
Sorry.
I'll say 12. Okay. Jada Kirana Shakala Dhara Jetila Natapati Makuta Tata Natana Patu Vibudha Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Padana Naraja Upamridita Nija Vrijina Jahadupala Tanuruchira Parama Munivara Yuvati Nuta.
Uttamam. Very well chanted. Varun. Dhanyavadaha. Shivashankar BV Mahodayah. Kushika Sutta. Unable to hear you, Mahodaya. You're unmuted, but I think it went back to mute. All of you, please unmute when I call your name. It will save us time so that more people can chant. Yes, Mahodaya, please chant. Okay, can't hear. Sometimes when you join through a phone or an app, there are a few persons who've told us that they can't connect to the audio. I'm not sure why that is. Annapurna Bhagini. Annapurna Nori Bhagini. Yesterday also you sent me an email, today also, but I can't find your name here. If you're present here with any other name, Annapurna Nori Bhagini, please send me a message with the name with which you've used to join the class. Priyadarshini Palani Bhagini. Priyadarshini Bhagini, I can't find you also. Subramanyam Sitaraman Mahodayah. Yes, please unmute Mahodayas.
Audible?
Yes, audible.
I will read Ayodhya Kandaka.
Okay.
Anrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitruvachana Palana Pradijna Vajnata Yauvaraja Nishada Raja Sauhrita Suchita Saushilya Sagara Bharatwaja Shasana Parigrihita Vichitra Chitra Kodagiri Katakatata Ramyavasatha Ananya Shasaniya
Katakatata Ramyavasatha.
Ramyavasatha Ananyasha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Just a few lines, because we have a lot of them who want to chant today, so it's a little difficult to give a lot of time. Geeta Ashok Bhagini. Geeta Ashok Bhagini, can't find you. Mahalakshmi Balaji Bhagini. Please unmute. It says self.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Ananya Shasaniya Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sughatita Padukagriyabhisheka Nirvartita Sarvaloka Yogakshema.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Rajalakshmi Ganapati Bhagini. Please unmute.
Unmuted, buddy. Shriyate
yes,
va?
Audible. Shruyate.
12 I chant. 12 and Sundarakanda.
You want to read 12?
12, yeah.
Okay.
Jada Kirana Shakaladhara Jadila Natapati Makuta Tada Natana Padu Vibhuta Saritati Bahula Madhu Galata Lalita Pada Nalina Raja Upamritita Nija Vrichita Jagatupala Danuruchira Parama Munivara Yuvatinuta
Saridati Bahula Madhu Galana Lalita Pada Nalina Raja Upamritita Nija Vrijina Jahadupala
Nija Vrijina.
Clearer Bhagini. Mahapranas Shakaladhara Vibudha Madhu Galana. Mahapranas should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Jayalakshmi Bhagini. Jayalakshmi Satisan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Can you chant?
Yes, please.
Kushika Sudha Kathita Vidida Nava विविध कथा मैथिलनगर सुलोचनालोचन चकोर चन्द्र खण्ड परशु कोदण्ड प्रकाण्ड खण्डन शौण्ड भुजदण्ड. Thank you,
Dhanyawad.
Bhagini.
Thank you. Dhanyawadaha. If you have sent me an email after 4 today, I definitely wouldn't have seen it because I'm in this class. Some of you are sending a message saying you've sent me an email after 4. Phanishri Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram. Shatakoti.
शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर दुरवनवतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि मुखजित जगदरुन्तुर जित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशरथ भुज दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर छर भर हरित पृथुतर तटाकतर्पित पितृक भुजुपति बृहपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुदिषु परिख.
Dhanyawadaha. Maybe slower pace, you will be able to perfect it better. Then you can try with, I mean, speed is not really important, but if you want to chant an entire line, big line, without taking a breath in between, speed helps. So, very good. Jayant Mahodayah. Please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini. Ram.
Ram.
Andrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitruvachana Palana Pratigya Vajnata Yavvarajya
Pitruvachana Palana Pratigya Vidvam Palana Pratigya Vajnata
Palana Pratigya Vajnata Yavvarajya Nishada Raja Sauhrida Suchita Saushilya Sagara Bharadvaja Sasana Parigrihita Vichitra Chitra Kutagiri Katakatata Ramyavasata.
Dhanyawadaha Mahodaya. Well chanted. Next. Bhavani Sundar Bhagini. Please unmute. Please unmute Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Ram.
Ram.
Shall I start?
Yes, please.
Ananya Shasaniya Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sugatita Paduka Grabhisheka Nirvartita Sarvaloka Yogakshema.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Mahapranas should be clearer, please. Paduka Grabhisheka Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sugatita. Murali Mohan Mahodayah. Murali Mohan KR, I think. Okay, not there. Subhashri Bhagini. Shubhashri Bhagini, please unmute.
Namo Namaha Mahoday.
Namo Namaha.
Vishita Ruchi Vihita Durita Vala Mathana Tanaya Bali Bhuganugati Sarabhasa शयन तृण शकल तल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य द्रुहिण हर वल मथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य.
Here, Sarabhasa Shayana Trina. Could you repeat from there, Bhagini?
सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. धन्यवादाः. Next, Jhansi Lakshmi Bhagini. Please unmute.
Madam, can you give me anything from Balakanda?
Okay. Yes, Dashavadana.
Okay. Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyardita Dasharadhibhava Dinakara Kulakamala Divakara Divishadadhipati Rana Sahacharana Chatura Dasharada Charana Runa Vimochena.
Parishadabhyarthita. That word, please note. Parishadabhyarthita. Divishadadhipati Charana Chatura Dasharatha Charamarina Vimochana. Vimochana, not chi, Vimochana. Dhanyavada. Vasanti Bhaskaran Bhagini. Please unmute.
Ram Ram ji.
Ram Ram.
Koshal Sutha Kumar Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara Kaumara Keli Gopayita Kaushikadvara Ranadvara Dhurya Bhavya Divyastra Vrinda Vandita.
Bhagini, here it is not Gopayita, it is Gopayita, Alpa Prana. And again here it is not Kaushika, Kaushikadvara. Two places there was, instead of Mahaprana, instead of Alpa Prana, I heard Mahaprana. They are Alpa Pranas. Gopayita, Kaushika, Kaushikadvara. Only Dha is Mahaprana here.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Chanchal Vadhva Bhagini. Please unmute. We keep coming back to Balakanda, so we are not proceeding to Yuddha Kanda at all. Chanchal Vadhva Bhagini, please unmute. It says self-muted Bhagini. Okay.
Ram ji.
Unmuted, yes.
पिशित रुचि विहित दुरित वल मथन तन बलि भुगनुगति सरभस शरण तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य द्रुहिण बलमत दुरालक्ष्य.
Could you repeat, Bhagini? Also, every letter should be pronounced fully, as in Sarabhasa Shayana Trina Shakala, not Sarabhas Shayana Trina. It's not like Hindi. Every letter should be pronounced completely. Could you repeat?
पिशित रुचि विहित दुरित वल मथन तन बलि भुगनुगति सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य.
Just one observation for all the words. Like I said, each letter should be pronounced completely, as in Pishita Ruchi Vihita Durita Valamathana Tanaya. Instead of Valamathana Tanai, we don't say Tanai, we say Tanaya. Bali Bhuganu Gati. Sarabhasa Shayana Trina Shakala, not Shayana Trina Shakala. It is.
Should I do it once more?
That's okay, Bhagini. I think you can practice. It's different from Hindi. So Hindi, the letters are pronounced half, but in Sanskritam we pronounce the full letter unless there is something what we call a halanta, which denotes a half letter. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thanks.
Dhanyavadaha. And Ravichandar S. Mahodayah, please unmute. It says self-muted again, Mahodaya, please.
Audible अस्ति वा? श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते इदानीं.
Okay. दण्डकातपोवन जंगम पारिजात विराध हरिण शार्दूल विलुलित बहुफल मखकलम रजनिचर मृगयारभ्य संभृत क्षीरभृदनुरोध
मृगयारम्भ संभृत रजनीचर मृगयारम्भ संभृत. Okay, that is the
okay. मृगयारम्भ संभृत क्षीरभृद. Bridha or Bridha, I got a doubt there also because Alan is there. That Bridha. Okay.
There is no halanta, Mahodaya. There is no halanta. Chira Bridhanurodha. There is no halanta there. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha. Bala Bharati.
Asmi. Ram.
Sundarakandam vaktum ichchasi khalu? Vadatu.
Apara paravara parikha parivrita parapura parisrita davadahana javana bhavana tapivara parishvanga bhavita sarvasvadana.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bala Bharati. Uttama ritya uktam. Kantastham karotu. Dhanyavadaha. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini, please unmute. Brinda Srinivasan Bhagini.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Please start with this.
Yes.
Hita Sahodara.
Which one, Bhagini? Number?
47. 48, I think. Just a second. 48, yes.
48. Ahita Sahodara Raksha Parigraha Visambhadi Vividha Sashiva Vipralambha Samaya Sambrambha Samujrumbita Sarveshvara Bhava.
Sahodara Raksha Parigraha Visarga followed by Pa Upadhmaniya. Ahita Sahodara Raksha Parigraha.
Okay. Ahita Sahodara Raksha Parigraha Visambhadi Vividha Sashiva Vipral
just a second, Vividha Sachiva. It is not Sashiva. It is Vividha
Sachiva. Okay. I am reading from Tamil, so excuse me.
Okay.
Vividha Sachiva Vipralambha Samaya Sambrahma Samujrumbhita Sarveshvara Bhava सकृत् प्रपन्न जन संरक्षण दीक्षित वीर। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादाः धन्यवादाः। मिताली रेजिन भगिनी, I can't find Mitali Regin Bhagini. Harini Bhagini. Harini C. Please unmute.
Namaste Mani.
Namaste.
वीर सत्यव्रत प्रतिशयन भूमिका भूषित पयोधि पुलिन प्रलय शिखी परुष विशिख शिखा शोषित कूपारवारिपूर।
Pralay, could you repeat that, Bhagini?
प्रलय शिखी परुष विशिख शिखा शोषिता कूपारिवारिपूर।
Kooparavaripuरा, not Koopari. Kooparavaripura. And Parusha Vishikha Shikha. Kha is Mahaprana.
Okay, man.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Annapurna Sista Bhagini. I'm calling out the names as you sent me by email. If you are present with a different name here, I wouldn't know. Radha Suresh Bhagini. Radha Suresh Bhagini also I can't find. Lakshmi R Bhagini. I got an email as Lakshmi R. I can't find you here, Bhagini. Karthik N. Mahodayah. Karthik N. Mahodayah, please unmute.
Namaste Mahoday. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Can you give me the last one, concluding verse?
Concluding verse. Okay.
Yes. I want to try that now. Yes, Kavitarkika. That one.
Okay. Yes.
Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Panturi Ramakrishna Mahodayah. Ramakrishna Mahodaya. I see a name, but there is no mic icon next to that to unmute. Shyam Subramanian Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Yeah, I'm Meenakshi's mother. Can I read Sundarakandam?
Okay. Just a second. Yes.
Apara paravara parikha parivrita.
It is not paravara Bhagini, paravara.
Okay. Apara paravara parikha parivrita paripura parisrita davadahana javana pavana bhava kapivara parishvanga bhavita sarvasvada भावित सर्वस्वदान सर्वस्वदान
parapura parisrita, not paripura. Apara paravara parikha parivrita parapura parisrita.
Okay, Bhagini, I'll just repeat. Apara paravara parikha parivrita parapura parisrita davadahana javana pavana bhava kapivara parishvanga bhavita sarvasvadana.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. I didn't realize we have already passed 5 o'clock. It's 5:10.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bhagini.
No problem, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Nice to listen to you. No, the reason I said that was there are so many who have sent emails. Some of you unable to find you also. Okay. But I would like to give at least one chance to everyone. Karpakam Chandrasekharan Mahodayah. Please unmute. Those who have recited, request you to please lower your hand so that I will give a chance to those who have raised their hand and who have not chanted. Karpakam Chandrasekharan Mahodayah. Please unmute. Before we move on, we will have an assessment maybe 2-3 weeks later so that you all have ample time to practice. I will send out an email. All your registered email IDs are there with us. So you will receive an email on your registered email ID. And the assessment will be twofold. One would be Parayanam or reading, and the second would be Kanthastham or memorization. So you'll have 2 kinds of assessments. If you all can memorize, that is great. At least all the school-going children, etc., I encourage you to start memorizing. And others, if you can't memorize, then you can participate in the Parayanam or reading assessment. It's not that assessment is compulsory, but just that we will have a time-based target for us to perfect the Gadyam within that time. Uma Krishnamurthy Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Yes,
Mahan Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
No words to express my gratitude, and I'm speaking for many of us. I've sent so many forwards to others also. I will start with Jai Jai Mahavir.
Okay.
Jai Jai Mahavir Mahadhira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikhila Nirjara Nirdharita Niravadika Mahatmya Dashavadana Damita Thank you.
If you want to chant, you can complete that line.
I'll complete. Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyartita Dasharathi Bhava Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha. I'm sorry, I'm not able to listen for a long time because of the time constraint. Geeta A. Ganesh Bhagini, please unmute. It says self-muted. Geeta A. Ganesh Bhagini, please unmute. Yes.
Ram Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Bahu dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Dashavadana, from there you can start Bhagini.
Dashavadana Damita Daivada Parishadabhyartita Dasharati Bhava Dinakara Kula.
It is not Dasharathi Bhava, it is Dasharathi Bhava. Dasharathi is
Na shruyate Bhagini.
Na shruyate va? Okay, I'm saying it should be Dasharathi Bhava and not Dasharathi Bhava. Dasharathi Bhava. So Haraswati.
दशवदन धमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपति रण सख चरण चतुर दशरथ चरमक्षण विमोचन
चरम ऋण not चरम चरम ऋण
चरम अस्तु भगिनि अस्तु
धन्यवादाः भगिनी
धन्यवादाः भगिनि finally I got a chance to chant.
I can't hear you Bhagini, sorry, some network issue I think. Whoever has chanted, request you to please go back to mute please, otherwise there will be a lot of disturbance for others. Shankara Narayanan Ramaswamy Mahodayah, please chant.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. कोसलसुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कौमार केलि गोपाजित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर धुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र वृंदवंदित.
उत्तमम् भवान् कंठस्थं करोतु. स्पर्धायाम् अपि
कुर्वन् अस्मि
कंठस्थम्. उत्तमम् धन्यवादाः शङ्करनारायण. इदानीं नेक्स्ट गायत्री राजगोपालन् भगिनी, प्लीज अनम्यूट.
Ma'am, I want to read Kosalasudha Kumara 7th.
7th, okay. You can read 7th.
कोसलसुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित कारणाकार कुमार भाव कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाध्वर रणाध्वर दुर्य भव्य दिव्यास्त्र बृंदवंदित प्रणत जन विमत.
Yeah, you complete that line. प्रणत जन विमत विमथन.
प्रणत जन विमत विमतन दुर्ललित धोर्ललिता. धन्यवादाः.
विमत विमथन, second vimathana, that is Mahapranatha. Please note. Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini, please unmute. Please unmute. Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini, it says muted.
जय जय महावीर महाधीर दौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निर्वधित आत्मय दशवदन दमित दैवद परिषत्यतीत दासरथि भाव.
Parishadabhyarthita, that word seems to be a bit confusing. Lot of them were a bit confused. Parishadabhyarthita and Mahaprana
Parishadabhyarthita dasarathi bhava.
Dhanyavada.
Kula kamala divakara.
Dhanyavada Bhagini. The Mahapranas in all the lines should be more clear. Umarao Bhagini, would you have, yeah, Umarao Bhagini, please unmute. It says self-muted.
I'm Bhagini. Shruyate va?
Shruyate Bhagini.
दशवदन दमित दैवत परिषदभ्यर्थित दाशरथि भाव दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविशदधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमऋण विमोचन.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
Those who have already recited, please lower your hands. KVSS Iyer Mahodayah, please unmute. KVSS Iyer Mahodayah, please unmute. It says
Namaste.
muted. Namaste, namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste, yeah. 20.
Sorry?
20.
20, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kratu karna sikeri kantuka Vikhrimtu mukha jagadurum tada jida hari danti danta dantu roronta dasavadana damana kusala dasa sada bhuja mukha nripati kula rudhira chara bhara rudhira chara bhara bharida prithudhara tadaga tarpita Pidraka Bhrigupati Sugadi Vihadikara Nata Parudi Suparita.
Paridha. Some versions, yes, have Paridha also. I know we are following.
But
Dhanyavadaha. I mean, the way I think the hyphens in between the words help because you're able to split and recite each word and move to the next. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Next, Mahalakshmi Balaji Bhagini. Andrita Bhaya Bhagini. Can't hear you, Mahalakshmi Bhagini. Okay. Vihan Puranik Mahodayah. Vihan Puranik. Ram Ram. Andrita Bhaya.
Andrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitruvachana Palana Pratijna Vajnana Yauvarajya Nishadaraja Sauhrida Suchita Saushilya Sagara Bharadwaja Shasana Parigrahita Vichitra Chitrakootagiri Katakata Ramya Satha.
So, Bharadwaja Shasana Parigrihita Vichitra Chitrakootagiri Katakatata Ramya Vasatha. I hope that is clear, Vihan.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha, Vihan.
Dhanyavadaha.
Bhavanapi Kanthastham Karotu. Please memorize. Nirmala Krishnan Bhagini. Please unmute Nirmala Krishnan Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Which one, ma'am?
Ananya Shasaniya.
A number, please.
24. Actually, because everyone has their own choices, we have not been going in an order, Bhagini. If there is any particular line you want to chant, you could chant.
No problem. Anything is okay.
Ananya Shasaniya you could do. 24.
1 minute. Ananya Shasaniya Pranata Bharada Magudata Sukatita Patuka Kriya Abhisheka Nirvartita Sarvaloga Yoga Kshema Pisita Ruchi Vidita Durita Valamadana Danaya Balibukanukati Sarabasasaya Drina Sakala Paripadana Bayasakita Sakala Suramunivara Bhagumad Mahastra Samatya.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Here, Trina Shakala Paripatana somewhere, and here this is Shakala, next line is Sakala. Trina Shakala Paripatana. Bhayachakita Sakala Suramunivara. The difference between sa and sha.
Okay.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Gayatri Rajagopalan Bhagini, did you chant today? I'm not sure if you chanted. I see your message now. Gayatri Rajagopalan Bhagini, please unmute. I have received a message saying I'm Bhargavi, I want to chant in your name. Gayatri Rajagopalan Bhagini. It's still muted. Okay. Let's see how many more we can take today. One of them, actually a few of them have sent an email if we could have exclusive chanting sessions. Please lower your hands, whoever has already chanted, please. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Can I start? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
This whatever is on the screen.
Yes, yes, please.
Vihita Durita Bala Mathana Tanaya Bali Mukha Bali Bhuka. Sorry. Pishita Ruchi Vihita Durita Bala Mathana Tanaya Bali Bhuka Nugati Sara Bhasa Shayana Trina Shakala Paritapana Bhaya Chakita Sakala
Paripatana.
Paripatana
Bhaya Chakita.
Paripatana Bhaya Chakita Sakala Sura Munivara Bahumata Mahastra Samartya Druhinahara Valamathana Duralakshya Saralakshya Duralakshya Saralakshya. Oh, I just said Dirga. Druhinahara Valamathana Duralakshya Saralakshya.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Mohana Valambe Bhagini, please unmute. Dandaka.
Dandaka Tapovana Jangama Parijata Viradha Harina Shardula Vilulita Bahupala Makhakama. Sorry. Vilulita Bahupala Makhakalama Rajani Charamrida Mrigayaram Sambrita Chira Vridanurodha.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Viradha Harina, na should be clearer. Difference between na and na. Usha Venkita Chalam Bhagini. Please unmute. Trishi
Thank you,
Rashid.
ma'am. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaste. Shishira Shira Sritaya Timira Nirasa Vasara Kara Dushana.
Sorry. Trishi Rashira Stritaya.
Shishira Shira Stritaya Timira Nirasa Vasara Kara Dushana Jalanidhi Shoshana Toshita Rishi Gana Ghoshita Vijaya Ghoshana Kharataru Khandana Chanda Pavana.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. It's already 5:30, I think. We really can't go on for very long because there are other webinars also. Ramakrishna Mahodayah. Ramakrishna Paturi Mahodayah, please unmute.
Hello, Bhagini.
Yes,
Bhagini?
Mahodaya. Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, able to hear you.
Which one? 31, 34.
34. Dvisapta.
Yes, yes. Dvisapta rakshasahasranalvana vilolana mahakalabha asahaya sura anapaya sahasa mahita mahamrudha darsana mudita maithili dhrudatara parirambhana vibhava viropita vikata veeravrana मारीच माया मृग चर्म परिकर्मित निर्भरत भास्करण विक्रम यशोलाभ विक्रीत जीवित क्रुद्धराज देह दिदीक्षा लक्षित भक्तजन दाक्षिण्या
धन्यवादाः महोदय.
धन्यवादाः.
It is Didhaksha Lakshita. Please note that. Karpagam Chandrasekharan Mahodayah. Please unmute.
Vikrama Yashola Kalpita Vibudha Bhava Gabandha Vinandita Avadya Mahima Munijana Bhajana Mushita Hridaya Kalusha Sabari Moksha Sakshi Buddha.
The Mahapranas should be clearer. Avandhya Mahima Munijana Bhajana Hridaya Kalusha Shabari Moksha Sakshi Bhuta. The Mahapranas should be clearer. S. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini. Please unmute. Could I please request those who have chanted to lower your hands? I still see a lot of them who have chanted, but your hands are raised. Bhanuja Bhagini. Prabhanjanatanaya.
Namaskara, Mahoday. Am I audible?
Namaste. Yes, you are audible.
Mahoday, can you please keep 12th one?
12th, is it?
Yes, yes.
Jada Kirana.
Start. Jada Kirana Shakala Dhara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tata Natanu Patu Vibhuda Sari
Patu. Not Natanu. Natanapatu.
Natanapatu Vibhuda Saridati Bahula Madhujalana Lalita Padana
Vibudha Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Padanalina Raja.
Madhu Gala Nalalita Padanal Nali Raja Upamrudita Raja
Lalita Padanalina Raja Upamrudita Nija Brajina
Jahadupala Tanuruchira Parama Munivar Yuvati Nota.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Saumya H Bhagini. Kushika Sutta.
Ram madam. Kushika Sutta Kathita Vidita Nava Vividha Katha Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra Khanda Parashuko Danda Prakanda Khandana Shaunda Bhuja Danda.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Phanishri Bhagini, you wanted to chant. You said your son chanted, now you want to chant. Chandakara Kirana.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundari Kavanaruchi Luntaka Mochita Janaka Hrudaya Shankatanka Parihruta Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitru Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala. Dhanyavadaha.
Duhitra, it's better if we chant it as Duhitra, not Duhitr. Duhitr, no no sanyuktakshara there. Duhitra kuchatata. Have I given everyone a chance? Not sure. Some of you have chanted, but your hands are still raised. Okay, my son wants to chant now. Shanmuga Priya Bhagini. Please unmute Shanmuga Priya Bhagini.
Ram Ram ma'am.
Ram Ram.
Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahadira Daureya Devasura Samaya Samara Samaya Samudita Nikila Nirjala Nirdarita Niravadika Mahatmya.
Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Okay, maybe you lost the connection. I don't see the mic anymore. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamaritya Uktam. Bharati Sridhar Bhagini. Whoever is waiting to chant, just send me a message. I will call out the names that way.
Can you hear, madam?
Yes, Bhagini, I can hear you. I think we will move to Yuddha Kanda. 72.
72.
Yes.
Okay. Pushpita Ripupaksha Pushpakarabasagati Gospadi Kruta Gaganarnava Pratignarnava Tarana Krutakshana Bharata Manorata Samhita Simhasanadiruda.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Sorry, I'll have to give others also a chance. Mahapranas should be clearer. Manoratha Samhita Simhasanadhiruda. Please note the Mahapranas. Yadugiri Kannan, my earnest request, please just chant a few lines, 3 or 4 lines, what is there on the slide, because we have so many who said they want to chant. We really have to conclude this soon. Yadugiri Kannan Mahodayaha.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Hadagiri Kadaga Ladaga Pada Pida Nikata Tata Parilututa Nikila Nirupati Kirida Kodi Vivida Manigana Kirana Nikara Dirajita Nirajita Charana Rajiva.
Bhagini. Pariluthita Nikhila Nripati Kirita Koti Vividha. Mahapranas also should be clearer. And Vijaya Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste
Bhagini. My
Vijaya Hetirajan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Bahukalam Chintitavati. Astu.
Niriksham karati va bhavati vaktum kshamyatam Bhagini.
Bahu namaskaraha Bhagini. Bahu uttama karyam kritam bhavatya.
Maya kimapi naiva kritam.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Divya Bhaumayo.
Bahukalam kudumba sakena santoshena जीवनार्थं मया प्रार्थितं भगवान्.
महान् प्रमोदः. दिव्यभौमायोध्यादिदैवत वदतु.
दिव्यभौमायोध्यादिदैवत.
दिव्यभौमायोध्यादिदैवत.
अस्तु. दिव्यभौमायोध्यादिदैवत रागं न
अवगतमास्तु भगिनी.
पितृवत कुपित परशुधर मुनि विहित निर्पहनन कथन पूर्वकाल प्रभाव शतगुण प्रतिष्ठापित धार्मिक राजवंशः.
Rajavamsha, not Vamsha, and also few changes. Parashudhara Muni Vihita Nripahanana Kadana Purvakala Prabhava Shataguna Pratisthapita Dharmika Rajavamsha. Dhanyavada Bhagini. S. Vijayalakshmi Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini. It is already. Shubha Rata Bharata Karvita Garva Gandharva Yuthagita Vijaya Gatha Shata
Yuthagita Vijaya Gatha Shata.
Vijaya Gatha Shata Shastita Madhusudana Shasita Madhusuda Shatrugna Sevita Kushalava Parigrihita Kulagata Visesha Kushalava Parigrihita Kulagata Visesha.
Parigrihita, not Parigrihita, Parigrihita. Shyam Karanam Mahodayah, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Vidhi Vasha Parinamadamara Faniti Kavivara Rachita Nija Charita Nibandhana Nishamana Nivruta Sarvagana Samma.
Paniti, not Faniti. Parinamadamara Phaniti. Pa. It is not fa, it is pa.
Okay.
Yes.
Vidhi Vasha Parinamadamara Faniti Kavivara Rachita Nija Charita Nibandhana Nishamana Nivruta Sarvajana Sammanita Punarupasthapita Vimanavara Visranana Prinita Vaisravana Visravita Yasah Prapancha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. The nas should be clearer, like Vishranana Prinita na Vaishravana, different from na. Vimanavara, here it is na. Vaishravana na, that na difference should be clearer. Anuradha Anisetti Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Panchatapanna Munikumara Sanjeevanamrita Traita Yuga Pravartita Karta Yuga Vrittanta.
Treta Yuga Pravartita.
Oh, Dvitvam, right. Sorry. Treta Yuga Pravartita Karta Yuga Vrittanta Avikala Bahusuvarna Hayamakha Sahasra Nirvahana Nirvartita Nijavarnashrama Dharma.
Uttamam Bhagini. Shamyatam, you have said you were raising your hand every day. I probably missed noticing because there are a lot of hands raised, lot of emails. I'm sure even after today, some of you would say you probably did not get a chance. I'm very sorry about that. Maybe before the assessment, we might have a revision session. Let's see if possible. Anyone else who wants to chant, send me a message right now. Then I could give you an opportunity to chant. There are a lot of hands. Suchitra Rajan Bhagini. Please unmute Bhagini. Maybe we can just take 2 or 3 more. Suchitra Rajan Bhagini. Next, Radha Ram Mohan Bhagini, be ready. I'm just looking at the messages which I'm receiving.
Shall I start, ma?
Yes, Bhagini. Sarva Karma Samaradhya.
Sarva Karma Ramaradhya. sorry,
सर्वकर्म समाराध्य
सर्वकर्म सनातन धर्म साकेत जनपद जनिधनिक जंघम तदितर जंतु जात दिव्यगति दान दर्शित नित्य निस्सीम वैभव.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. It is Jangama, not Janghama. Jangama. Next, Radha Ram Mohan Bhagini. Please unmute.
Thank you, madam. Can you hear me?
Yes, Bhagini, can hear you.
भवतपनतापित भक्तजन भद्राराम श्रीराम भद्र नमस्ते नमस्ते पुनस्ते नमः.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
Thank you, madam.
Well chanted. Next, I don't see the full name. Chidambara Velu Mahodayah. Please unmute.
चतुर्मुखेश्वर मुखैः पुत्र पौत्रादिशालिने नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेदिने.
The Mahapranas Bhagini. Chaturmukheshwar mukhaihi गृहमेधिने. धन्यवादाः. Shiv Kalpana Iyer Bhagini. Okay, we will conclude now. We are 45 minutes over time. I'm sorry if all of you have not. Okay, Anita Bhagini, can I try one last bit? Anita Vinod Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. This Kavi Kathaka Simha Kachitam.
Can I chant 24-25?
Okay, Bhagini. We'll have to conclude. Yeah, you
otherwise,
can chant.
Last bit was also okay.
Which last bit?
The last one, which yeah, Chaturmukha.
Okay, yes.
Chaturmukheshwara mukhaya putra pautrashaline नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेदिने.
Bhagini, it is Chaturmukheshwara mukhaihi.
Mukhaihi. Okay, Bhagini.
Putradishaline नमः सीता समेताय रामाय गृहमेधिने. धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Shiva Kanya Bhagini, I think I just unmuted you and you chanted. Or is there someone else also who wants to chant? Please unmute Shiva Kanya Bhagini. It says self-muted. Okay, we will conclude. I will chant the last two verses. Kavi kathaka simha kathitam kathora sukumara gumbha gambhiram bhava bhaya bheshajame tat pathata mahavira vaibhavam sudhiyah kavitarkika simhaya kalyana gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Thank you so much to all of you. For any feedback, queries, please write to us at these email IDs. Before we conclude, I've received a request from Vyoma to share this with you all. I hope you're able to see the screen of our humble appeal. Yes, so Vyoma has a lot of products for self-learning, multimedia, free courses, free mobile apps, video recordings, etc. And some of you have also sent an email as to how you can help the organization. One way to help is by practicing what you have learned and also trying to spread it further. But first, we must perfect it, like we say, attain that siddhi, and only then try to teach. So once you perfect something and you have a strong hold grip over it, then you can please teach others also and help others to enjoy these wonderful stotrani, etc., whatever you are learning. And this used to be the this is what our guru tells us also, our Vidushi Anantha Lakshmi Natarajan Mahodaya, to teach as many people as possible, to help spread Samskriti, Samskara, and Samskritam consciousness. And there are different ways in which you can help the organization. These courses are purely voluntary, and we are doing it out of our own pleasure to help others. So if there is anyone who wants to help the organization, there are various ways to do it. The details are also available on the website, so you could go to the website and check. And there is a different website for India and for US donors. Any questions, you can write to support@vyomalabs.in. And like I said, all these details would be available on the website. So if anybody, because we've also received emails regarding this, so you can go to the website and check. It has been a wonderful experience, a very memorable Vasanta Navaratri with all of you. I will surely reply to your emails. And do prepare for the assessment, maybe in another 2-3 weeks, and check your email IDs. Also, please check the promotions folder. Sometimes these emails go to the promotions folder. So please check that. And I hope to listen to all of you again in the assessment. There, individually, we will listen to you. So we will have different slots, and individually, all of you who have registered for the assessment will be heard by judges. And we will also give you feedback. So it won't be, we won't have time constraints like this of 1 hour and having so many of you to chant. So please practice the Gadyam and reading and also memorization, and hope to see you all in the assessment, and look out for the email. For mock tests or practice sessions before assessment, we will again notify that by email. Bharadwaj Mahodaya, who is here? Bharadwaj Mahodaya is here.
Ram Ram Ram.
He wants to say a few words before Shanti Mantraha. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Should I make you presenter?
Not required, Bhagini. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Ram Ram Ram. On yes, are you able to see me?
I think so, Mahodaya. Actually, my webcam is hidden today. I don't know why, so I'm not able to see anyone.
Yes,
but it shows that the webcam is in green, so I'm thinking that it would be visible. Yes.
Thank you. Ram Ram Ram, everyone. On behalf of Vyoma Labs, thank you, Vrinda Bhagini, for teaching us this wonderful Gadyam. Not only teaching us, but also enlightening us to the meaning of the prose, and igniting that little bit of bhakti in ourselves towards Lord Rama. We all know that Raghuvira Gadyam was written by Vedanta Deshikas, and which celebrates Lord Rama's valor, in which he focuses on Rama as a Veera or a warrior, right? But Rama was not an ordinary warrior. He was a Mahavira, correct? So he was not only capable of fighting courageously, but also he could lead an army. So thus he combined in himself the qualities of courage and leadership. So Deshika referred to him as Mahavira, and this beautiful Gadyam is also known as Mahavira Vaibhava. I think I'm right.
Yes,
Bhagini?
Mahodaya. You're absolutely right. Also, I'm sorry, some of them are saying that you are not visible.
No problem. I think something's wrong with the dashboard today. So I once again thank you and the panelists very much for this wonderful course on this Vasanta Navaratri. Especially we are very blessed, and I'm sure the students are also very blessed to listen to this Raghuvira Gadyam, and the entire Ramayana has been taught to us by this Gadyam. Thank you once again, Brinda Bhagini, and to your panelists. Ram Ram Ram.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Pleasure is ours. Thank you very much to the panelists also. We will have to conclude now. Vijaya Bhagini, yes, I have unmuted you. You wanted to share something?
Definitely, Bhagini. Hats up to you, Bhagini, for giving so much attention for Mahaprana and Alpa Prana. This is very great work being done by you. Even though they are not at all uttering properly, you are just making them to do it once again. There's so much of patience you are having. Very hats up to you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And also this Vyoma Lab for giving this much of precious teachers to us. Very, very precious teachers to us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vyoma, for this opportunity, like I said, for uniting us. And Mahaprana, Alpa Prana, yes, that is the life of Sanskritam. We need to differentiate. And I'm sure with practice, all of us will be able to differentiate well. We will conclude as usual with Shanti Mantraha. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः धन्यवादाः. Hope to see you all in the assessment. Ram Ram Ram.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
It was a pleasure to learn Shri Raghuvira Gadyam. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Dhanyavadah.